don't smile. Yeah, I don't think I really want to touch on the story. That kind of led me to that. Yeah, so that's kind of how I got into that. My name's Benji. I work for the Beyond Thermal team doing estimates. And I've been with the company for 4 going on 5 years now. Tell something not too many people know about me. If I told you that, I'd have to kill you. Before I got into this, I was trying to become an aircraft maintenance engineer, and COVID kind of put a damper on that, which kind of led me to Beyond Group, and which turned out to be one of the best decisions of my life. What I love working with Beyond is that they don't really treat you like a number here. They treat you more like a human and a person. They will always give you chances to better yourself and move forward and progress. They give you all the tools or books, courses, whatever you need. And if you have the drive to go through with it, they'll support you the whole way. I think my favorite project would be the Fraggle Rock project that we helped on. We did a lot of the set building. Just quite enjoyed seeing the process of how they built everything, and then seeing the finished product after it was painted, and then just kind of the troubleshooting aspect of how to do things faster and more efficient and get things to look the way they want. And yeah, I just enjoy challenges and seeing how they turn out. Outside of work, I nerd out usually on 3D printing. Yeah, 3D printing, crafting, modeling, things like that is more of my go-to now. Whenever I get a chance, we usually go to the mountains, go for a hike, those kind of things. Try to stay out of the house as much as possible. Spoil my son, my wife, and my dog. It's usually my hobbies.